Are you looking to make $50 a day using ChatGPT without any prior skills, money, or experience? No hype, no fluff, just a clear step-by-step guide that works. Let's start with the most important part, choosing a service that people are already paying for. Right now, businesses, content creators, and e-commerce sellers are actively hiring freelancers for tasks like blog writing, YouTube video scripts, product descriptions, Instagram captions, and resume writing. These services are easy to fulfill, require no special background, and most importantly, ChatGPT can do 80 to 90% of the work for you. Now open ChatGPT. For example, if you've decided to write blogs, just type in a prompt like, write a 600-word blog post on how to stay productive while working from home. ChatGPT will instantly generate high-quality content that's ready to sell. You can tweak the tone, length, or structure with just a few more prompts to make your final output even sharper. Tools like Grammarly or Quillbot can help you polish the grammar and flow in seconds. Once you're confident with the content creation, it's time to monetize your skills. Go to freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. Create a service listing titled something like, I will write SEO-optimized blog posts using AI tools like ChatGPT. Set your starting price at $10 per task. If you complete just 5 of these per day, you're making $50. And that's just the beginning. As you build reviews and gain repeat clients, you can start charging more or offering premium add-ons like faster delivery or keyword research. To save time and scale up, build your own templates. Whether the blog format, a product review layout, or a YouTube script structure, having ready-made templates allows you to complete tasks faster and deliver consistent quality. This increases your earning potential without increasing your workload. Now, standing out is the final piece of the puzzle. Thousands of people offer similar services, but most don't optimize their gig. To get ahead, use a clean, professional thumbnail for your gig, write a clear and keyword-rich description, and always respond to client messages quickly. On your first few orders, over-deliver. That means sending the work ahead of time or offering a little bonus. Great reviews will skyrocket your visibility and bring more clients in automatically. And that's how you can start earning $50 a day using ChatGPT. This isn't some shortcut to overnight success, but it is a proven method that requires only consistency, effort, and smart use of AI. If this helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more real money making.